mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. May 11, 2024, Saturday racing. Starting time, 5:30 ng hapon, 7 races. Ang ating matutunghayan sa nag-iisang Metro Turf, Magbartanawan, Batangas. All races ay may distansyang 1,200 meter run. Race 1, first choice number 6, Sartolia Elegance. Second choice, coupled entry, 3 Seychelles, 3A Ayuda. Race 2, first choice number 8, California King. Second choice number 3, Moment of Truth. Race 3, first choice number 8, Queen Margot. Second choice number 5, One for the Road. Race 4, first choice number 4, Take a Chance. Second choice number 2, Snow White. Race 5, first choice number 1, Malibu Bell. Second choice number 3, Glenda's Magic. Race 6, first choice number 6, Daniel's Son. Second choice number 8, Crown Jewel. Last race, race 7, first choice number 6, Full Combat Order. Second choice number 5, Iyasaki. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!